through this. I'm blessed, I'm sanctified. From a bond on the earth is a risk. I'm blessed, I'm sanctified.
Good morning, guys. So, what happened?
I'm true for me hand.
Oh, sleeveless? Oh.
All night me have to cover.
Guys, I'm here with my great-grandma, and my grandma is in the green. Can you guys see her? Right there. And my mom is right there. We're going into Lucy because we have to do, like, you know, the funeral stuff. I started vlogging late because, so yeah, so I'm wearing the Zara top, black jeans, Nikes, rain today, guys. So we're just gonna be running errands today, not very eventful, but I am vlogging. And yeah, so we're going into Lucy. So we'll see you in Lucy. Grandma is nuts. Guys, we're in the supermarket. I'm sorry I'm not vlogging, but we are like picking out the programs, the casket and all that stuff. So it's just, you know, it's business. But here with mommy. Here with mommy. We're gonna go home.
Yes. I'm a friend. Yes.
We're going home to cook.
Hi, my dear.
Grandma, you're shopping? Look at Grandma.
Hi, Kenny.
Mommy no air, mommy.
Bye. I want to hire more. Don't we like that? I'm not part of the picture. You know what's mean on that? Please God. It's like a part of the picture.
Where's the shore?
I mean, like,
Grandma,
carnal.
what does puss like?
Eh?
What does puss like?
What is what?
What does puss like?
What?
Really?
Are you puss?
Sometimes. Depends what day. What? You know I love... Oh, hi. I love,
Why you love money? Let me buy a little grocery store.
yeah. Mom, you're gonna go to the doctor? Mom, I can't lose you too, please. Tough day, guys. Just tough day with everything. Flour.
I'm taking for the running. You want fried dumpling?
Wait, what? Fried dumpling and what? Fish?
I'm not sure I can fried dumpling.
Oh, okay. Yeah, I love fried. I love when you fry the dumplings. They're sweet. Guys, I'm gonna stop vlogging. Everybody's staring at me. Guys, so we just got home. I really couldn't vlog because we had to pick the program, pick the casket, and it's just very emotional right now, and we're just trying to get everything ready. The grave digging is Wednesday, then Friday is the wake, and then Saturday is the funeral. It's just, I don't know, it's just a very unsettling and just, it's just something you just don't get used to, you know what I mean? Because we were really close, but we're just trying to get everything together, get the family together and everything. So yeah, but right now my aunt's coming from work and we're gonna eat. It's so hot, and I don't think we're gonna do anything else because we just like ran all the errands in the morning. So you guys even missed my, I don't even remember if I showed you my great grandma was here, my grandma was here. So we just have to, you know, send my uncle off in the best way possible. He was like absolutely amazing, like such a heart of gold. Like he just, I don't know, it's just very unsettling. But anyways, guys, yeah, so I'll wait till my aunt comes, or if something happens, you know what I mean? But yeah, so I'll see you guys in a bit. Guys, I'm eating an apple. Guys, I'm blind as hell, so I have to have my glasses on because everybody, I want to know everybody, and when I see someone's face, I'll be like, but in reality I really don't see you, so I have my glasses on so I can see you. So I'm eating a Jamaican apple. So good. It's apple time. Sweet. So I'll just wait until my aunt and my cousin come. Guys, I'm with Auntie. Auntie's ready. Her.
Bend down low. Let me tell you what I know. Bend down low. Let me tell you what I know.
Guys, Leisha has the milk. Leisha, this doesn't smell fake. Smell it again.
Yes, it's a million.
But it's fake? Leisha, what are you doing?
I don't know if it's fake or it's fake.
Oh, you put this one back on? What a nut! So you piled up everything in your backpack already?
I don't want nobody sees nothing.
Who is it?
You?
Lord have mercy, Leish. You pack up the back.
And my American Eagle knapsack.
What happened?
Full of goodies.
Leisha, what happened to your Dolce and Gabbana light blue?
With Dolce and Gabbana.
Yeah.
Did they? It's sweet, Ruby.
Where is it? Oh, it's right here. What else is Leisha, was fake? Now it's all your jewels is in there. All your... All right, Lee.
Don't
what are you
steal
wearing?
anything. Wait. Yeah, let me one top of me, I want shots. You see, I want top in a suitcase. I want to wear.
What top?
Some top. Oh, yeah, wear. Look at all my bags. Look at all my bags. Don't steal.
Me?
Don't steal.
Me? You saw 5 foot?
Oh, you buy me most of them. No, me buy them. You don't buy me no so. You give me the orange one day. And then one day.
1, 2, 3, 4.
Where 4 day? 4 or 2.
5. Here, 6.
A 2.
7.
No, me buy the one day.
No. What about your business, Cinderella? I gave her so much stuff and she don't remember. She has amnesia. Amnesia.
Bend down low. Let me tell you what I know. You smell something in my face? You smell shit? What do Let go wash me hair when I'm done.
When are you getting your hair done?
I'll go do it tomorrow.
Michelle? Michelle? Your co-workers?
Maybe I got the top, they will not come over there now, give me.
Because a hot girl will wear top like this. And a hot girl me be. Me say hot and hot to me. Crazy.
Hmm?
I will find you.
What kind of ringtone is that?
I will kill you.
Guys, I'll see you in a bit. Guys, we are in Auntie's room.
Shut up.
And we're chilling like a villain.
Where are you?
Let me see the music, because you know a bad selector like me.
Listen.
What's up? No, do the fling. I want to learn how to fling my shoulder. The ding dong fling. Let me video you. Hey, yo, 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 yo. Woo! No science!
Life is not about finding the right person.
What a bitch! Bitch, all these say unknown.
Just play them, they're songs.
Much we care till the very end.
What song? I learned. Teach me a dance.
In your path.
Calm
Teach me a dance, Leisha. That's popular. What kind of? You don't have the ding dong fling?
Life is not about.
Don't open your phone.
I can't download. Let me see. What a nut! Leisha! Leisha, what the hell? Ding. Leisha, teach me a song now. I mean a dance. What dance is mashing the place?
Mashed potato.
Tears in
We'll
my
play
eyes.
that one. Leisha! I can't find that song.
Worldwide is
This is a song adorable and tell about.
I know. Every time I hear it.
I'll play.
And he played it for me.
On the board, on the board.
I don't have it.
No, no song, Penny. Ghost, you like ghost?
I love Ghost, but teach me a dance so I'm leaving you because you're not.
Oh, you fit on the back, on the dark, remember all of when you used to get on the block. And I talk about it, who know I go rich, know you're rich. You switch, you really do that. Right now, I want